maximum, and then the minimum. So this this helps us to easily find out who has the highest score, who has the lowest score, who has the highest maybe income, who has the lowest income, and then so on. So if you have to get the minimum and then the maximum, same thing. You can either type or you can use this given part. Now here we don't use the formula. Here we use this kind of function. Okay. So let's take an example. This is always the quickest means that you can say, come and click here, click on the arrow. Then we say we need the maximum. Okay. So you click on that. Okay. So you see that equal, it has put the function already for you, but you see that we don't need this given space here. We don't need to add in this space here. So what you do, you reduce it until you remain with that. So when you reach there, you press the enter key. So you realize the highest value here is 99. Okay? That's the highest value. Then, if you want to get the highest values of all the others, please don't again keep typing the same thing. Use the autofill feature. So the autofill helps us to copy things to other cells without necessarily us typing the same thing again. So bring your pointer at the bottom right corner and then you run across. This time you're running across till wherever you really feel you want to stop, right there. So we have, these are the highest, this is the highest average, the person with the highest average, this is the highest total, and all the others as well. So same thing with the minimum. Okay? Minimum, come to this autofill and then you come and say minimum. Okay, so you realize that, look here, you realize this one has even stopped right here. So what your role is to move it upwards. Okay, move it up, then you reduce this also. Okay, you reduce it the bottom here so that you exclude the 99 until you remain with that. Okay, so you can scroll, you can use, you can keep dragging to eliminate the cells that you do not want. Okay, even if we wanted all these other ones, you just drag across so that the computer gives you the minimum value of all those values that are there, or the maximum value. So we are interested in that. We need a minimum value for all that. Then afterwards, we press the enter key. So the minimum value here is 30. Then you click inside that box again. Click on the bring your pointer at the bottom right corner and then drag across. So we shall get the smallest values as far as that is concerned. Okay, so that is basically how you can play around, how you can, anywhere they ask you to get a total to sum up, that is what you can basically use to get the average, to get the minimum, get the maximum. You can always use that